so I can video you.
Helicopter, Lincoln.
Lincoln! It's like lightning again. Lincoln, can you spin this again?
Lincoln, Cherry. Acorn.
Nice, dude. Do you do any tricks on your razor scooter?
Yeah.
Like what?
A flip and a high. Like lightning.
Lincoln's
You
it.
can do a high jump? Can I see? Whoa, that was awesome.
This is not a high jump.
Oh, what's that?
It's a mature scooter.
Oh.
This is a mature scooter also.
That was a sweet trick, dude. I like it.
And this is a control.
White.
Wow.
No, you're it.
It's a good idea pulling the pants up. I like that idea.
And this is a mature scooter.
Okay. It's like you're taking your scooter for a walk or something.
Yeah, right there. Get up, like that.
Oh, giddy up. Like it's a horse?
Yeah.
Can you wave and say hi?
Hi. Sorry. Hi.